Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to refresh the viewed selected rows of data grid view in text boxes in combo box. Let's double click in the button refresh. Let's call the text boxes in combo box variable name that is equal to null. And then add the codes of populating the table rows columns value to the data grid view. This codes will refresh the data grid view value. This all the text boxes in combo box that we will refresh in the data grid view. Now let's run it. Now let's double click on data grid view to create an event of cell click. Let's initialize data grid view row is equals to data grid view row cell event row index. This code is to get the specific selected index in data grid view. Let's initialize it for id row table. Now let's call all the text boxes in combo box variable name that will be equal to the row index cell of the index value that is converted to string. Like this. Let's run it. Understand the flow and the function of the code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.